Okay, guys, we're masking for this. Fix this. Got a few issues that I sanded out, but look, we're down to the metal there. That have to be right. Same as over here, touched a little bit to the metal. So we're gonna fix that. I got the whole car wrapped up in plastic because I don't want no overspray on anything. And a couple more issues. Little burn through right there. Gonna mist some base on that. Although I'm gonna seal this, so I may mist some sealer on here first and then some base. Slightly here. A little bit right there and there. I just broke the surface. There, here, and finally here. License plate area, a little spot there that burned through. And I'm wet sanding this and went through it, just being aggressive on that lip. A tiny bit right there, and we got a little bit here. It runs up to right there, gets thinner. So I'm trying to do this whole area because this is raised up. This section is raised up, so there won't be a hard line nowhere. It's raised up, you know. Gonna mist something there, and yeah, that's it. So, couple of situations, but just master the whole call to fix this. So we're gonna seal this again, and then base. Couple coats of base. I'll clear it when I flow coat the rest of the car. There won't be a flow coat here per se, although this is a few coats of clear, even though I burned down there on this section. I'm gonna take care of this right now. So the mask's off pretty good. Whole car is wrapped up. Don't want to overspray, taking a chance to overspray, anything, because I'm gonna flow coat it after I get done with this and the little spots I missed. I'm gonna flow coat this thing. It's ready to go. All right, let me get ready. Oh, let me show you the gun I'm using. I'm using this cheap gun I got. This small gun. Use this. I'll fill this up maybe. We're gonna see. I got a filter on it. But yeah, this has been my beast so far. Gun's been amazing. I can imagine when I advance to better guns, it only gonna get better, but this thing has been an animal, a monster. All right, let me get set up. By the way, there's the broke wipers. Yep, should have been took them off, but I guess it is what it is. All right, here we go. We got this mix is 4 to 1 to 1. All right, let me show you guys the temperature in here right now, and the humidity is perfect. Yeah, 60. Gonna unplug the heater, take it out of here, and pretty much mask off. Let's get some cleaning, tack cloth. Clean this with some wax and grease remover, some spray red glass cleaner, and then we're gonna tack cloth it off. So this is the area that was messed up. The paint was cracking in there, and I should have shown it before, but I'm glad I removed the wipers to fix it, and now this is how it should have looked in the first place. It's perfect now though. This is the second coat of base flashing off, and as you guys can see, it's taking a minute to flash off because it's cold in there now. It's about 45 to 48 degrees in the booth, and it's 20 outside. It's freezing outside here, and I'm just dealing with the temperatures now, so I have to stop here. I'll clear it when I flow coat the car. The next video coming up will be me sanding down for getting prepped for flow coating, so you guys will see that in a little bit. But yeah, just struggling with temperatures here now.